This will have to be a very quick video so that I'm not late to work. But I'm back at everybody's favorite Midwest restore. Moonback's footprint vent hugger is pretty cool, $35. Regency, some modern stuff, a Delta, a Hunter. Switch on the end of it? I don't know what they did there. And one of these heater fans. Nothing I want to buy, but at least there's some good variety, not just new and brushed nickel. Okay, I gotta head to work. Just gonna do a once over of the lighting. Okay. Thanks for watching.